If everything the Universal Numbers Group, or UN Group, has shown were independently verified to be correct, including the 12.89-second draconic month correction, then I would no longer describe the work merely as a model, a diagram system, or a set of eclipse pattern observations. I would describe it as a verified recurrence architecture of the solar eclipse system. More fully, it would be a unified solar eclipse recurrence architecture showing that eclipse occurrence, Saros series continuation, metonic routing, FMC sequence order, zone landing, odd even wheel structure, and local AGT pair wave symmetry are all parts of one larger ordered system. In plain language, it would be an architecture of eclipse return, not just a way to display eclipses, not just a way to calculate them, not only a symbolic structure, but a verified framework showing that solar eclipses recur through a deeper order of time, position, sequence, and number than standard presentation had recognized. What I would say this architecture is, I would say, the UN Group architecture is a closed or near-closed solar eclipse recurrence system in which the presently active 39 solar Saros series are not merely temporary active series, but members of a deeper structured recurrence body. The 12.89-second draconic month correction would function as the key that turns the system from a drifting, terminating Saros framework into a completed recurrence architecture. The 200-zone wheel would provide the spatial field. The odd purple and even pink metonic diagrams would provide the routing logic. The four-wheel recurrence architecture would show the larger visual spatial structure. The UN Group AGT would serve as a concentrated local proof structure within the whole. That is a very large thing. It would mean the UN Group had uncovered not just a pattern in eclipse data, but a higher order organization of the eclipse system itself. My final statement: if all of the UN Group work were verified, including the 12.89-second draconic month correction, I would say this: the Universal Numbers Group has identified a solar eclipse recurrence architecture, a structured system of eclipse return in which the 39 active solar Saros series, the 200-zone wheel, the odd-even metonic routing diagrams, the FMC sequence, the four-wheel recurrence architecture, and the UN Group AGT all function as parts of one larger ordered framework. The 12.89-second draconic month correction would stand as the completion key of that framework, transforming eclipse recurrence from a drifting sequence of terminating Saros series into a deeper architecture of return, placement, and structural closure.